everyone, I'm on my way into work. This is the June commute. I'm just heading down to the tube. I ended up coming into Waterloo because there was delays on the district line, so I didn't get off at Wimbledon, which is where I usually go in the morning. But also, I'm starting at 10 today, when usually when I come in I start at 8, and it's a lot easier when I start at 8. So, it's very noisy down here. Anyways, so yeah, it's about 10 past 9, 20 past 9, something like that. So, yeah, this is where we're going. I was talking to you and then I just lost my way for a second there. And I was like, am I going north or south? When I know which way I'm going. Even without looking at a map, I know which way I'm going. But, yeah, so we're just waiting for the train.
Scary up there, I tell you. Super scary up there.
I just checked what the temperature is. 27 degrees. So it's a little bit windy under here. It's a little bit warm, I'm not gonna lie. But it's alright. I got a slight early mark. We did our recognition, our celebration, everything. And yeah, now we finished. We got to have a couple of drinks, had a cocktail and a Prosecco. And I drank some water in the office because I felt a little bit like I really hadn't eaten enough to be having drinks. I'd really had breakfast. I had pastry for breakfast and I had a BLT for lunch, and then we had like some little snacky things. Had a donut, some squid, gyoza and spring rolls in the meeting. But yeah, nothing that warranted the drinks. Oh. Back in my hometown, about 2 minutes walk from my house, flat, whatever. I'm going to go up and shower because I got a seat on the tube, was air conditioned fine, did not get a seat on the train, not air conditioned, did not get a seat on the bus also not air conditioned. So yeah, I definitely want to shower after today. I also want to wash my hair, but it's like late and I don't want to go to bed with wet hair, and I don't want to blow dry it because yeah,